Me lutins have come up a real treat. Not only that, I've done wonders with me hollyhocks this year. So I see, Sid, so I see. A fine display and no mistake.
Yeah, real pretty.
Nice of you to say so. My, is that really the time? Hey, I could do with a cuppa. Would you two care to join me?
I wouldn't miss it for the world.
Old Sid here makes the best cup. Hello, what's going on? Oh, there's a strange sight to be sure. A motorised rain cloud. Oh, no, it's not. That's bees, that is. They live here. I've bought myself a hive. Take a gander at that. So that's what it is. I thought it was some kind of newfangled birdhouse.
Look, here they come.
So when did you take up beekeeping then, Sid? Well, I've always been partial to a bit of honey with me tea. So I thought to myself, Speaking of tea, weren't you in the middle of offering us some? Oh, yes, so I was. Let's go and put the kettle on. After you, Sid. And I can tell you all about these terrible back twinges I've been getting. Oh, right.
Hey, Spike, isn't that Sid Slipper's house?
Yeah, so what?
Nothing. Flowers look awful pretty, though.
Ace, you're soft in the head, you are. What the...
Well, what was all that about, then?
I don't know, but they came from Sid Slipper's garden. Let's check it out.
Hey, look! A beehive! The bees!
Full marks for observation, Rowdy.
Yeah, thanks, Spike.
Shut up. I'm getting one of my brainwaves.
What sort of a rainwave is that, then, Spike?
I think we're going into the honey business, boys.
What are you talking about, Spike?
Listen, stupid. First off, we nicked the hive. Second, we nicked the honey out the hive. And third off, we sell the honey for a ton of cash. Honey into money. Got it?
All right.
Right. Down to business. Rowdy, you get in there and grab that hive before the bees get back.
You got it. I hate to tell you this, Spike, but duck. Yeah! Now what do we do?
We use Plan B. What else? Rowdy? You see that bush over there?
Yeah.
Well, go and hide in the bush and make noises like a flower.
Sure thing, Spike.
Okay, Ace. Now we watch and wait.
Spike!
What now?
Exactly what sort of noise does a flower make?
How should I know? You think of something.
Okay then. I got it. What a lovely little flower I am. Oh, I'm so lovely. I'm so lovely I could kiss myself. Just look at these petals. Oh, yummy. Oh, I'm so happy being a flower. Oh, happy, happy, happy. I'm so happy I could cry. I know. I think I'll make myself some pollen. Lots and lots of lovely pollen. Here I am, not going anywhere at all. Just stuck on the ground, completely helpless. All this lovely pollen just going to waste. Oh, how I wish some friendly bees would come along and... Oh, ow! Ow! Oh, no! Ow! Oh! Ow! Oh! Ah! Oh! Ah! Ah! Oh! 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 Ah! Oh! Oh! Ah! Oh! Ah!
Now's our chance. Get in there.
Mission accomplished!
Right, let's go.
Thanks for a real lovely tea, Sid.
Agreed. You did yourself proud. Those sandwiches were delicious.
Especially the honey ones.
No trouble at all. Stop by any time. Perhaps we should say thank you to the bees as well. Hang on a mo. Hey, Sid, your beehive's gone. Well, blow me down, you're right. Me bees have been bee-napped. Oh, dear. Don't worry, Sid. I'll get onto PC Boot right away. Hello, PC Boot.
Nope, sorry. It's his day off. This is Officer Malone speaking.
Hello there, Officer Malone. This is Trampy, calling from Sid Slipper's cottage. Sid's beehive has been stolen.
You what? A crime? In Shoetown? Oh, happy day. A real crime at last. You have no idea how long I've waited for this moment. Don't move. I'll be right over.
Oh, that was quick.
Efficiency is my middle name. Now just show me the scene of the crime.
Over there, officer.
Ooh, isn't this exciting?
Aha! Hello, he's found something. What's up, Doc? I mean, officer.
Check this out. Skid marks.
You mean?
Yep, wheels. This looks like the work of the boot boys.
Well, congratulations, Officer Malone. You've cracked the case.
Just doing my job, Trampy.
Where are you going?
To the boot boys' hideout, where else?
Hang on there. We'll come with you.
Too right. Just wait till I get my hands on those young whippersnappers. I'll think of something, don't you worry.
What a little beauty. And it's all ours.
Yeah. I can hardly wait.
Let's bust this thing open. Rowdy, you made it.
Good to see you. How'd you manage to escape the bees?
Well, come on, out with it. Tell us.
Well, I didn't escape, really. Not as such.
What are you babbling about?
The soda outside.
What? You brought him here?
Well, I didn't have much choice, did I? They followed me.
Rowdy, you custard-brain twit. Oh, I could.
Well, is anybody gonna answer that? Nope.
Rowdy's right. Somehow I don't think it'd be a very good idea to open that door.
Oh, what's that?
You're asking us?
Uh-oh. I think we're in trouble.
Well, here we are. It all seems very quiet.
Too quiet, if you ask me. You three wait here. I'm going in. What the? Jump, Jimmy!
Wow, look at them go. I don't think I've ever seen the Boot Boys move so fast.
I'm not surprised.
Well, I reckon that clears up the case of the disappearing beehive. Here you go, Sid.
Oh, very much.
Just do my bit for law and order.
What about the bees?
Oh, they'll get tired of chasing those hooligans around eventually and come home. No worries there. Unlike the Boot Boys.
This is all your fault. You and your get-rich-quick ideas. Yeah, it was stupid.
Look who's talking. I've known tree stumps with more intelligence than you two.
So you say.
Yeah, I say.
Hold it, calm down. Now what are we gonna do about these bees? Maybe if we made frog noises, pretend we're frogs, they might go away.
You're joking. You couldn't even do a flower noise right.
We got nothing to lose, Spike.
After you then, genius.
Okay. Ribbit. Ribbit. Hey, that's good. Ribbit. 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 Ribbit.
Shoo 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 people. 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 Shoo 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 people.